What if AI agents built by completely different companies could simply talk to each other, hand off work, and collaborate with no custom integrations required? That is exactly what the Agent-to-Agent Protocol, or A2A, is built for. Let's break it down. Today, most AI agents live on islands. An agent built on one platform usually can't communicate with an agent built on another, so companies end up writing brittle, one-off integrations for every pair of agents, and every new agent you add multiplies the work. As the number of agents grows, that approach simply does not scale. A2A is an open protocol that lets independent AI agents discover each other, exchange information securely, and coordinate actions. Google announced it in April 2025 and donated it to the Linux Foundation, where it is now an open standard under the Apache 2.0 license, governed by the community rather than any single company. A2A does not replace Anthropic's Model Context Protocol, it complements it. Think of MCP as the way an agent connects to its tools, data, and context. A2A is the layer above that, how one agent talks to another agent as a peer. In short, MCP handles what happens inside an agent, while A2A handles what happens between them. At its heart, A2A uses a simple client and remote model. A client agent has a task it needs done. It finds a suitable remote agent, sends the task, and the remote agent does the work and returns the results. Either side can play either role depending on the job. But how does an agent know what another agent can do? Through an agent card, a small JSON document that advertises an agent's identity, its skills, and how to reach and authenticate with it. Agents publish this card at a standard, well-known web address so others can discover it automatically, read it, and decide if it's the right partner for the job. Work in A2A is organized around a task object with a clear life cycle. A task can finish instantly or run for hours or even days. Throughout, the agents stay in sync with status updates, and the finished outputs are returned as artifacts. Let's follow that life cycle. A task starts out as submitted, then moves to working once the agent picks it up. If the agent needs more information from you, it pauses in an input-required state, waits for your reply, and then resumes. Eventually, it reaches a terminal state, completed, failed, or canceled. From there, it won't change again. Agents collaborate by exchanging messages, and every message is made of parts. Each part has a content type: text, an image, a form, even a video stream. This lets agents negotiate the right format so the result fits whatever interface the user actually has. So, how do agents stay in sync? For quick jobs, it's a simple request and response. For longer work, the remote agent streams live updates over server-sent events so the client can watch progress in real time. And for jobs that run for hours, it can send a push notification the instant something changes, with no need to keep a connection open the whole time. Security is built in, not bolted on. A2A supports enterprise-grade authentication and authorization with parity to open API schemes from day one. And just as important, agents stay opaque. They collaborate as black boxes, sharing context and results, but never exposing their internal memory, their tools, or their proprietary logic. These choices come from 5 guiding principles: embrace true agentic collaboration, build on existing standards, be secure by default, support long-running tasks, and stay modality agnostic, handling text, audio, and video alike. And it's not exotic. A2A runs on the web stack engineers already know. Calls travel over HTTP using JSON RPC, gRPC, or plain REST, with server-sent events for streaming, and enterprise-grade authentication baked in from the start. Here's what this looks like in the real world. Imagine you ask your assistant to help hire someone. Your agent calls a sourcing agent to find candidates that match the role. Once you pick a few, it asks a scheduling agent to book the interviews. And afterward, another agent runs the background checks. 4 specialized agents, possibly from 4 different vendors, working together as one team. That is A2A in action. And this isn't just a spec on paper. More than 150 organizations now back A2A, including Google, Microsoft, AWS, Salesforce, SAP, ServiceNow, and IBM, making it one of the fastest-growing standards in the agent ecosystem. Want to try it? A2A is fully open source under the Linux Foundation with software development kits for Python, JavaScript, Java, and more. To make your own agent discoverable, you publish its agent card at that standard well-known address, and other agents can find it and start collaborating. So, to bring it all together, A2A gives AI agents a shared language to discover one another, delegate tasks, and collaborate across vendors securely and in real time. As multi-agent systems become the norm, open protocols like this are the foundation they will be built on. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider liking and subscribing for more.